Welcome to another how-to of MistrMopar. One of the things I do for extra income is I sell used auto parts on eBay. I deal in a lot of headlights, taillights, mirrors, grills, seatbelts, radios, stuff like that. This is a front seatbelt retractor from a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. And one thing I see a lot with these used seatbelts is when the customer receives them, they believe that they're no good. They're locked up. They don't want to work. You can't install them because you can't pull them out and get them in the position they need to be in to install. The thing with these modern day newer seatbelts, there's a ball bearing inside here, and the way that these are made and the way that you would get this to pull out is you want to position this basically in the same angle that it would be when it's installed in the car, and then pull straight up. It will fetch up from time to time, but you can get it out. As you can see, that was locked. It's in the position it would be in the car, and it does come out. And one thing I've been doing lately, just to save my customers the headache, is I'll get it to where it's pulled out enough to install. I'm going to put a little zip tie around it right here, just to hold it from retracting. Keeps it out. Customer receives it. It's ready to install. Get it bolted in. You can undo the zip tie. Life is good. This is the same idea for all of these modern day seatbelts. I see this problem a lot with used seatbelts. People believe that they're no good. That's the trick to getting them out. Unless, of course, the pre-tensioner is blown, then they would be no good and they are locked up. But that's the case. That's all you got to do. Line them up like they would be in the car in the same position and just slowly and gently pull it straight up. If anybody's interested to know anything about my eBay page, I am a top-rated seller, over 6 years with 100% positive feedback, and I only sell top-quality original OEM parts. Drop me a comment, let me know. Any questions, let me know. Hopefully this will help somebody out.